Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In previous video, we have discussed the definition of differential equations and we saw some examples on it. In this video, I would like to explain the types of differential equations. See, there are two types of the differential equations. Okay, there are two types in the differential equations. One is ODE and another one is PDE. Okay, what is the abbreviation of ODE and PDE? So the full form of ODE is ordinary differential equations and PDE means partial differential equations. Okay. Now, when do you say that given differential equation is an ordinary differential equation, and when do you say that given differential equation is a partial differential equation? See the definitions. A differential equation which contains derivatives of a dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. Okay, don't forget. Okay, in a differential equation, derivatives of the dependent variable are with respect to only one independent variable, then that differential equation is called ordinary differential equation. Okay, is called an ordinary differential equation. See the examples. dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to e power x. Clearly we are observing that this is an ordinary differential equation because derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable, only one independent variable x only. In this differential equation, only one independent variable is involved. Okay, that's why this is called an ordinary differential equation. See, dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square whole by 2xy. Okay, this is also an ordinary differential equation because derivatives with respect to only one independent variable is involved. D square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 6y is equal to e power 2x. This is also an ordinary differential equation because all derivatives are with respect to one independent variable x only. Okay, so that's why this is called an ordinary differential equation. Now see the definition of PDE. A differential equation in which derivatives of a dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable. Is called partial differential equation. See the examples. X into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to 2u. Clearly, this is a partial differential equation because this This equation contains partial derivatives of a dependent variable with respect to two independent variables. What are they? X and Y. That's why this is called partial differential equation. Okay, this never becomes an ordinary differential equation. Okay, and see the next one. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. This is also a best example for partial differential equation, because this equation also contains partial derivatives of the dependent variable u with respect to two independent variables x and y. That's why this is called partial differential equation. In this way, we have two types of differential equations. One is ordinary differential equation and another one is partial differential equation. The main difference between them is, first one is ordinary differential equation contains only ordinary derivatives, and another important point is ordinary differential equation contains only one independent variable. Here derivatives are with respect to only one independent variable, but here partial derivatives are involved and partial derivatives are with respect to more than one independent variables. Maybe two independent variables are involved, maybe three independent variables are involved in these equations. Okay, in the next video I will give the concept of order and degree of a differential equation. Thank you very much.